Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on the fly bridge of Providence. We finally got the boat out and about today. It's a beautiful day on the Chesapeake, or the Potomac as it is right now. We're headed over to an anchorage right now to check it out to see if it's something that we want to do at some point. But we've had a nice cruise. There's very little wind. It's nice and warm, and the boat's running good. So we'll give you some shots of the water and show you what the anchorage is all about once we get there. All right. How we doing?
Good. Perfect day.
Alright guys, this is Horseshoe Bend Anchorage. There are a couple boats in here, a couple trawlers, and there's a power cat over there, and then a couple sailboats. It's really nice, so we will make this one of our spots.
So we're pulling away from the anchor. As we came up, there's a pirate ship that our marina neighbors had talked about when they saw it the other day. So there's also what looks like a cemetery and some kind of cool historic buildings. So we looked it up, and that is Mary City, and it is the fourth oldest settlement in the United States, but the oldest from Maryland. And so it was the county seat for Maryland, and it was founded in the 1600s. It looks like a cool area. They offer tours. There's a museum. I think there's some other things that you can do there. It's our hard worker. Relaxing. Finally. Took us a while to get to this part of our day. It's nice. So beautiful homes along this little creek that we're in off the Chesapeake Bay. We watch overlanding YouTube video all the time. We just love. One of my favorite parts about it is they always show what they cook at the end of the day. So we're not gonna make this a thing, but I do want to show you guys what we're doing. It's looking good. Super easy, super simple. I'm not a foodie, but I do like to know what people cook when they're out on their boat. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the scene.
Good morning guys. We have got up a little early and got out on the water again today. It's a beautiful day out on the bay. It is slick calm out right now. Very little wind. It's a little warm, but it's a perfect day for being out of the boat. Hey guys, well we decided to go down the Potomac and out into the bay, and we're gonna go take a look at Point Lookout Lighthouse, which marks the entrance to the Chesapeake Bay from the Potomac River. So it's about an hour and a half from where we were, so we're just cruising nice and easy at 7 knots. It's been, like I said, perfect conditions, and as the video showed, it's slick calm out, and we're just taking a nice little trip out on the bay. We'll check that out, take a picture or two, turn around and head back, and call it a weekend. So it's a beautiful day to be out on the water.
coming up on Point Lookout. It's a lighthouse. This is the most western edge, southern point tip of Maryland from the Chesapeake Bay coming into the Potomac. And there's also a state park behind it, or Point Lookout State Park, that the public has access to. The lighthouse itself, there is no tours available, but there's a lot of really cool history to it. This lighthouse was commissioned in the 1800s. After the Battle of Gettysburg and the Civil War, there was a Union hospital that was built on the property behind it, and it was also a prisoner of war camp for Confederate soldiers. So they had over 50,000 soldiers that were held there. And also, given its relation to the Underground Railroad, the lighthouse itself was a part of the Underground Railroad where people could come and stop on their way to freedom. So the lighthouse had 4 lighthouse keepers. They all died while they were under service, and so this is also known as the most haunted lighthouse in America.
Well guys, we're coming back into Providence's home, so it's been a good weekend. We were out and about, got to see Horseshoe Bend, Anchorage, so that's definitely something we'll go back to. And then the lighthouse was pretty cool. The history behind that was all pretty neat. So it's amazing what's just in your backyard. So if you liked what you saw today, thanks for coming along. Hope you subscribe and like. We'll do some more DIY fun here soon, and then in a couple more weeks we'll be back out on the water. So thanks again for watching.
Also, if you have any good places that we should go see in the Chesapeake Bay, comment below so we can go check them out.
All right guys, take care.